what's up guys, my name is Ruben. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to play Yule, Elani. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these tutorials. And if you're new here, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. So, well, without wasting any more time, we gonna get started right after this. So this song is in the key of A, and the progression is 6, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 4, 5, and 6 and 3. So in this case, the 6 is F sharp minor, the 4 is E major chord, the 5 is the D chord. I mean, this is the 5 chord. Sorry, I keep confusing. So this is 5 chord, which is E chord. The 4 chord, yes, the 4 chord is the D chord, and then the 3 chord is this is C sharp minor chord. So F sharp, I'm barring my second fret with my pointer finger, and then my ring finger playing string number 5 on the 4th fret, and my small finger will be playing string number 4 on the 4th fret. F sharp, then E chord. So the E chord, my pointer finger is playing string number 3 on the 1st fret, middle finger playing string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger playing string number 4 still on the 2nd fret. E, this is E major chord. So you can play the E major here or the bar chord, which will be here. But this one, of course, will sound a little bit better. And then the other chord is a D chord. So D chord, middle finger plays string number 1 on the 2nd fret, pointer finger will play string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger is playing string number 2 on the 3rd fret. And then finally C sharp minor chord, the 3 chord. So pointer finger barring string number 1 all the way to 5 on the 4th fret. My middle finger will be playing string number 2 on the 5th fret. My ring finger plays string number 4 on the 6th fret, and my small finger will play string number 3 on the 6th fret. So that's C sharp minor chord. So again, from top, F sharp minor, E, D, C sharp. So, well, the song comprises of that progression from start to end. I believe so. Yes, I did listen to it. So that's how you will play this song. It's it's not as hard. I'm sure if you're a beginner, you will be able to play it if you just give it some time. So, well, that's it for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, leave that thumbs up, because it really helps with these videos ranking. Yeah. So guys, let's see each other next one. Ciao.